YouTube, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Techirism, when we talk real tech. Guys, in today's video, we're going to be comparing the Go 3s with the Clip 4. Which ones are the best for your buck? Which ones are the better ones? Alright? But before we get into the video, though, guys, you already know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, join the club. Join the crew. Guys, at the time of this recording, we're at 476 subscribers, guys. Each and one of you guys contribute to the club, contribute to the crew. All right, YouTube? So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's get straight into the video. So, we got the JBL Go 3s right here, okay, on my left hand, and we got the JBL Clip 4 on my right hand. Now, the JBL Go 3s at the time of this recording goes for $69.98, all right? Whereas right now at the time of this recording, the JBL Clip 4 goes for $69.98 as well. But it usually goes for $99.98. So out of the two, on a regular basis, it would be the Go 3s that are obviously less expensive, all right? You're more affordable price. Now, both of these speakers, they have, I believe they have like 7 different colors. So you can get this in red, you can get this in this color right here, turquoise, you can get this in black, you can get this in turquoise. Both of these speakers have on average, I believe, 7 different colors that you guys can choose from. All right, so if you guys are into colors for some reason, you guys got 7 different colors. All right. Now, the difference between the JBL Go 3s and the Clip is obviously the clip. You know what I'm saying? This one has a clip, okay? Whereas this one does not have a clip. It's more like some sort of lanyard. So you can connect this to a keychain or key lanyard like so. Clip it. You just clip it on together. And then boom. All right? It's clipped to your keys. So if you want a speaker on your keys, you good. All right, this one right here, okay, let me just put my keys to the side, has a clip. So you can clip this to your bag, you can clip this to your purse, anywhere that has where you can just hook this up to. You can even hook this up to my keys as well if I really wanted to. You know, for some reason I wanted to do like this, you feel me? You can. All right, so that's the difference between the two. All right, now the design quality is different as well. So obviously the JBL logo is in the middle, but on the side right here, you got your plus, your pause. Sorry, you got your minus, your pause, and then your plus. All right, this is your volume control right here. Okay, and then this is your spot where you just put it like so. You can even put it on the side like this. You can even put it like this, make it stand up if you want. All right, so that's where the volume markers are at. Right here, you got the USB Type-C, and then you got your little lanyard thing right here. And then on the bottom, you got the power on, Bluetooth, and then the Go 3 engraved on here. Now this one, you got your plus, your pause, and then your minus right here on the very surface of the speaker. And then you obviously got your clip. On the side says clip, and then you just lay it like so. All right. Now the major thing that I don't like about these ones, the Clip 4, is that you can't put it face forward like so. Okay, it can't stand up. But this one, you can easily stand up like that. That's what I don't like about the two. So those are the different features between the Go 3s and the JBL Clip 4s. All right, so now we're gonna obviously test the sound. You guys want to see and listen to yourselves and see what's the difference between the two, which one sounds better. I suggest you guys get some earphones, some headphones, whatever the case may be, some speakers to really hear the difference between the two. All right, so the first test that we're gonna test right here is the Go 3s. So let me just connect these right here. All right, then we're just gonna pair it. Pairing it to my iPhone, it should connect. Okay, there you go. All right, so now these are connected. You guys can put on your earphones and your headphones, and then we're gonna compare the two. All right, so we have a song right here. These are the JBL Go 3s. So this is what we're testing right now. All right. Alright, so these are the Go 3s. So this is not even maximum yet. Alright, so that's the JBL Go 3s. Now let's connect to the Clip 4. Alright, this is the Clip 4 right here. Alright, so those were the two speakers right there. You guys can clearly hear the difference between the two. Alright, so as I was testing out the sound, I can tell, I don't know if y'all can tell, but obviously the Clip 4 is a lot louder compared to the JBL Go 3s. All right, so after doing the sound test, like you guys already heard, all right, the Clip 4s are slightly, and I mean only slightly, louder than Go 3s, all right? The Go 3s are pretty loud, but the Clip 4s are louder, all right? In terms of the battery life, the Go 3 comes out 5 hours of battery life. Meanwhile, the JBL Clip 4s come at a 10-hour battery life. So the Go 3s are basically can only last for 5 hours, which is basically half of the Clip 4s. Now, in terms of waterproof, they're both IPX or IP67 Waterproof. This one is waterproof and dustproof. I believe when I made this review, it was waterproof and dustproof for this too. I'm not 100% sure, but they're both IP67 waterproof. In terms of Bluetooth, they both have Bluetooth 5.1, the Clips and the Go 3s. So in terms of Bluetooth, they have the same Bluetooth connectivity. So yeah, YouTube, that's a Go 3s and a Clip 4s. Which one should you guys get? Hey, if you're looking for an affordable speaker and a smaller speaker, you can get the JBL Go 3s. If you're looking for something more loud, just slightly loud, they're not that loud. They're not way louder than the JBL Go 3s, but they're loud enough, more louder. If you're looking for something more loud or you want the clip feature, get the JBL Clip 4s. But right now, if I look at the market, they're both going at the same price. So if I was you, all right, if I was you and I was in you guys' shoes, I would just get the Clip 4 because one is louder, two, you can clip it to your purse or your bag or whatever. But the only downside with the Clip 4 is that ain't working. You feel me? But the Go 3s, it can stand up straight. All right, so that's my only gripe with the Clip 4s. They can't stand straight. But besides that, everything else, the Clip 4 has the sound is louder than the Go 3s. And, I believe it's slightly, is it bigger? Hold on, let me see. Yeah, it's slightly bigger. But hey, are these certified real tech? Of course it's certified real tech. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, YouTube, that's the video. Like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up in here, guys. Hey, man, seems like we just gained some more subscribers up in here. You know what I'm saying? YouTube. Let me show you real quick. All right, at the time of this recording, we're at 477. Why is my screen so dim? 477 subscribers, guys. Each and one of you guys has contributed to the club, has contributed to the crew. YouTube. All right, YouTube. We almost at 500. So, hey, like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? We almost at 500 subscribers. All right, YouTube. So, yeah, we out. Peace.